Good morning and welcome to Travels with the Russells. Today on our Marella Voyager Canary Island cruise, we're in Las Palmas in Gran Canaria. So we're going to have a walk around the town, see what it's like.
Well, it's
come and join us.
Julie, a fun-loving pair. In their 60s, they don't have a care. Retired from the hustle, now they're roam free. Oh, can't you see?
So the cruise port here at Las Palmas, got Marella Voyager in here. We have the Aida Cosma in, and this is how close you are to the town. So an easy stroll. You can already see there are hop-on and hop-off buses and things down there. So let's go have a look. So just down at the entrance to the harbour, we've got the hop-on, hop-off buses and tuk-tuks if you want to hire, bikes. Well, looking a bit ominous is the sky, very dark, very looks like it's going to chuck it down, as it did last time we visited here.
Yes.
It threw it down. We had to abandon all hope and enter the shopping mall. So, anyway, let's see. Well, my predictions, I make an excellent weatherman. Yes, it's raining, so everybody else is getting wet. I refuse. Not part of my holiday. Yeah, patron saying it. Patron saying the cats are really nice. So as you can see, the sun is shining down on us now. So a brief rainstorm. I really think I'm off my head because I said the sun's shining down on us. Well, it's a bit chilly, yeah. But it's bright now. At least it's not snowing or raining anymore.
Obviously you don't know because he's got his bloody speedos on.
Yeah, there's people on the beach. What's up with you?
Hi. Well, before that's very right. There you go, he's getting his blood circulating.
Well, we're going to call it a draw there. We're back at the cruise ship, as you can see, back at the cruise terminal. That was our brief look around Las Palmas in Gran Canaria. So, thanks ever so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Well, the sun's arising in the morning light, grabbing our bags, we're ready for a flight. Got the map laid out on where will we go. Cyprus calls our names, it's the place we love so. From the UK skies to the Mediterranean blue, we share our adventures, just me and you. With a camera in hand and a smile on our face, we capture the moments, it's our traveling pace.